In this video, I'll show you profitable pocket option 5-second strategy, which is extremely simple and you can start to use it right after watching this video. Now, I am not making this video just for the purpose of showing you the strategy. I'm actually making it because a few years ago, I was using this strategy. This strategy is a little bit risky. It is a little bit risky, but it is extremely profitable also. And I used to make good amount of profit with this strategy by taking the risk. And I made some videos in the past in my YouTube channel, and lots of other people started to use this strategy and they have been receiving very good result. So that's why I am again making this video, so that I can make this video to reach to more people, so that it can help a lot of binary options trader to make profitable trades. So please do like this video, and if you think this strategy is going to be helpful for you, then please put some comment in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. And one important thing, if you just want to copy my trades directly into your pocket option account, then you can join my free Telegram channel and you can follow the instructions and get my UID and start to copy my trades, which are also going to be profitable for you. You can check that too. Now let's get into our strategy. Strategy is actually very simple. You just need to trade on OTC pairs for this 5-second strategy and make all of this currency pair favorite that has over 90% payout. Once you do this much, then you just click on these candles and click on this candle and make it S5. So this means all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Once you do this much, then you just see to this section. Sometime what happens, there is a flag at here. Just turn that flag into this clock and click on here and select S5 time frame. Now this means your trading time frame is also going to be of 5 seconds. Once you do this much, then the next step would be to put the amount that you want to invest in this trade. Now what I will suggest you in this video is you start with $10. You take the risk of $10 and make 3 times trade by using this exact strategy and see the results. Now what happens, sometimes your second trade might go wrong, sometimes your third trade might go wrong, but if all of your trades are going to be right, then you are going to make extremely good amount of money, which you can watch in this video how the increment happens. Like if 3 trades goes right, that I am going to turn this $10 into $135. So once you do all of this setup, now it's time for you to put this indicator. So this indicator is called parabolic SAR. So this one. So let me remove this indicator again and put it again. So just you need to click on here and this parabolic SAR indicator is implemented at here. Now if you click on this pencil icon, you can change this setting, but I would recommend you not to touch anything at here. Now let's talk about the strategy. So to show you about the strategy, I need a certain market condition, and that market condition would be, firstly let me show you how this parabolic SAR indicator works. So as you can see, candles are at here above this parabolic SAR. That means market is in uptrend, and if parabolic SAR is above these candles, then market is in downtrend. In simple word, this is the, so now here you can see there is second dot forming. At this time you need to make lower trade. So whenever you see the second dot is forming, at that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, similarly, if the market is if the parabolic SAR is below the candle and you see the second dot is forming, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. This strategy is as simple as this. You just need to put this in mind. Now what I will do is I'll not talk and show you by making 3 trades in this video, and let's see what happens in this result, and you can easily start to use this strategy by yourself also. So let's get started.